Mike Evans here for POC Network. Today I'm in the pool with the Sensport Rave Model 1 waterproof speaker. It's rated at IPX7, which means it can be underwater for 1 meter for 30 minutes. It's actually behind me in the pool right now. I've been underwater for about 10 minutes and I've been playing in here for about an hour. Syncing it floats, and it sounds pretty good doing it. All in all, the Rave Model 1 speaker by Sensport seems to be a great outdoor rugged speaker. Mike Evans, POC Network.
If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.